We got some exciting news in the Ableton space. First, Live 12.1 is officially out, and this is a free update for everyone that already has Live 12. There's a lot of great features in here, such as auto shift. We have drum sampler. It also brings updates for the auto tagging as well, makes things easier and does a lot of things automatically. The limiter and saturator get a big update. These are the two best things in my opinion. There's some MIDI editing improvements and there's some improvements to push as well. This is the perfect time to let you know that I have an Ableton 12 playlist and we have all the 12.1 updates at the bottom here. In other news, we have Ableton's new Move hardware. Wait, what is this thing? Is this just a smaller push? I'm confused. Okay, let's take a look here. They originally teased this video. So yeah, I saw that originally and I'm like, I don't really need to report on it. I don't know what's going on yet, but we have a little more information from Ableton now. This first article here gives us a little video. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this and it says, Ableton Move is a compact standalone tool for instinctive music making. With a rechargeable battery and a built-in processor, microphone, and speaker, it's the ideal companion for creating on the go. Looks cool. Oh, that's gotta be the sampler there from the microphone.
Está increíble. ¿Estás viendo este tamaño?
Yes, I need to sit in the middle of the street and cook up beats. Oh, here we go. Oh gosh. Hey, shout out to him, bro. But we have one more article as well, talking about more of the things that it can do.
Move is built around 4 flexible MIDI tracks, which could be a drum kit, sampler, or instrument. When you load a new set, the tracks already come preloaded with a matching collection of presets from the sound library, so you can get started right away.
Hopefully
Move comes with over 1,500 samples, presets, and drum kits, including Ableton instruments and effects, such as drift, wavetable, and Live's new drum sampler. Not to mention delays, choruses, and distortions to craft your sound.
Just off first impressions, I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. I like the fact that they have like the Eldre kits in here already, and they had Oh Gosh Leotis featured in this video as well. So this thing's probably loaded with some good sounds and kits, and that tiny little interface in the corner, that's what you're going to be using to kind of look at everything that you're doing. So it's mostly just going to be these pads in front of you. So it's like a smaller push that is more portable, but it's good for sampling and just messing with sounds and kind of getting your face out of a screen and onto this different device. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But the real question is, how much is it? So it's $450 here, and here's some of the features as well that are built in. They talked about it having a built-in Wi-Fi. Why would you want that? Hold on, we gotta go back.
Exporting the set as a WAV or MP3 file is just a few clicks away. You can export audio using the Move Manager.
Maybe this is where the Wi-Fi comes in?
A WAV or MP3 file, ready to share or edit further.
You can use the Ableton Cloud to export
Move
sounds
is designed to be a versatile
projects,
player, seamlessly integrating into your audio setup. Whether you're using it as a standalone device or as a controller for Ableton Live, Move adapts easily to your workflow. You can bring your set into Ableton Live via Ableton Cloud, Once loaded in Live, you gain access to every single detail of your sound, including your MIDI sequences and all instrument and effect parameters.
We hear the different effects that you have at your disposal here. You can see you have a good chunk of them, not all of them. The cool thing is Move does not require Ableton, so you don't have to have an Ableton license to use the Move. It is a standalone, and it does come with the Ableton Live 12 intro, so that's pretty cool as well. The other thing I'm curious to know about is what the built-in microphone is. What is the quality of that? I'm sitting here editing this video, and one thing that I've noticed in the forums is that it's only 4 tracks, so it limits you to only have 4 tracks, which could be a major drawback. Let me know what you guys think of the new Move controller, and what do you think about Ableton 12.1 finally being out? It is stinking time, and if you guys want to see any of those videos where I break down all of the best features, I'm going to put that playlist right here for you guys.